Seed therapy for ischemic heart disease. A 62-year-old female suffered from chronic ischemic heart disease. She had a 15-year history of dull, nagging pain in the heart. Nitroglycerin therapy didn't give any substantial results. Guelder seeds were applied to the regions corresponding to the heart in standard system of correspondence and in the insect system. The course included 15 procedures, each lasting for 10 to 12 hours. After the first session, the patient felt pleasant warmth in the heart region and the pain reduced to 20 to 30%. At the end of the course, the patient was pleased to report that the pain remained at the level of 5 to 10% compared with the original one.